In today's episode, what 100 yen per night looks like, what can you eat in Xi'an? First, let's check out a new place for me to stay, and this place is located at the center of the Muslim Quarter of Xi'an. And yes, I booked this room through trip.com. Okay, let's start the room tour. I'm staying at 304. Let's go in. Once you walk in, you'll see your bathroom, your toilet. So there's two wash basin on the outside. Here the toilet, the sitting toilet, standing shower. Okay, not bad size, standing shower. And once you walk out, this is the main entrance. You have aircon. This is one of the living. It is one room and one living area. Living consists of TV, sofa, coffee table, of course aircon at the living area. There is not much of a view here because it's at the alley between buildings. Okay. Here's the bedroom. In the bedroom you have your bed. There's no TV. And this is a queen size bed. Comes with an aircon. Okay, what do you think of this room? This room costs 100 yen per night. This is one bedroom and one living room accommodation. But do aware, this accommodation doesn't have any elevator, so you will need to carry your suitcase up to the stairs and going down. So I'm staying at 304, so it's on the level 3. And laundry is on the other building and is on the top floor of level 5 if you need to do your laundry. Also, climbing the stairs. This hotel only provides disposable towel. Let's eat. My first meal in Xi'an will be the lamb ramen. This is the Malay version or the Muslim or Halal version. Let's try the soup. Beefy taste, tasty. Beefy taste, but it's not very strong beef taste. It's okay. A very tiny hint of the peppercorn. Let's try the ramen. Ramen is tangy, chewy, good, not too soft, not too hard, perfect texture. This is lamb. Not hard and not too hard and not too soft. Good. There's a chew on it, but not too chewy, like the noodle. The more I drink the soup, I can taste the peppercorn. Interesting. Even in Xi'an also they use peppercorn. This is 23 yen per bowl. I would say it's a decent meal to start my Xi'an adventure. Next, try the local noodle. First time eating breakfast. in a soup. So this should be rice vermicelli. I prefer this one. And you have your lamb meat. The meat tastes a bit gamey. This bowl will be 28 yuan, 28 yuan. This is not for me. Can't finish. Can't continue eating. Really doesn't get used to this breadcrumbs or bread pieces in the soup. Next one. Let's try Roujiamo. Roujiamo is meat slices on a bun. This is the China burger. Let's try. The bread is a bit dry. No, the bread is very dry. The bread is too thick and powdery. Not for me. But the meat is okay. Look, the bun with the meat is 11 yuan per piece. 11 yuan. Next, we try Biang Men, or the local call it Changmen or long noodle. And yes, the noodle is long and chewy. Typically, this kind of noodle are served without any meat. Yes, the taste of the noodle is nice and the texture of the noodle is so chewy. You can ask for non-spicy or a bit spicy for your selection. Typically, locals eat it with raw garlic. The Biang Men is 11 yuan and adding of noodle is free. And this drink is about 3 yuan. Biang Men is good. Recommended. And the texture is good too. Next, let's get some meat skewers. Let's try the soybean milk. This is no sugar. I think it's with sugar. So I've ordered the lamb skewers, the big lamb skewers. One stick is about 10 yuan. And normal beef skewers, that is 1 to 3 yuan per stick, but minimum order will be 20 yuan. So this is the lamb skewers. This will be the 10 yuan per stick. Let's try the lamb. The lamb will be less spicy. Request. This will be the lamb. This is a tree branch. Okay? Using tree branch for the stick to make it as a stick. Wow, the lamb is good. Tender. They only start barbecuing this meat upon ordering. Flavorful, not too spicy. This is good. 10 yuan. This in time when you eat it, you will have the numbing feeling because it's mala, a bit spicy and but you get numb on my lips. Okay, I've ordered 2 types. The beef that is the minimum 20. So I've ordered few sticks that are spicy and this is non-spicy. Okay, let's try the original beef first. It looks big. It's just tiny pieces. Yeah, tiny pieces of beef. Let's try. Flavor is good with the herbs. The meat is tender. The beef meat is tender. Okay, let's try the spicy one. This is the spicy one. bit spicy. No, I think I prefer the original one, non-spicy one. This stick is steel, I think steel or stainless steel. Okay. Total spend here is 58 yuan, include a bottle of soybean milk, 20 sticks of beef skewers, and 3 big sticks of the lamb. Yeah, but I'll prefer the lamb. Next, we'll try the beef noodle and another type of skewers. Let's try the noodle. Texture wise, nice. Broth is good. The tomato and fried egg soup, good. This noodle is only 18 yuan. Okay, 18 yuan. Good. A bit low. Also 10 yuan for one stick. This is the lamb skewer. This one is non-spicy, original taste. This one the meat is dry, not as juicy as the other one. Let's try the fast food. Let's try the local burger. Taste wise is with the sweet mayonnaise. The beef patty is good. It's quite juicy. The meat is quite juicy. This burger is 18 yuan. This is cheese ball. Cheese ball. There's 5 pieces of it for 10 yuan. Let's try. The outer layer is like a fried mochi skin to contain the cheese inside. Next, let's try a specialty beef dish in the center of the Muslim Quarter street. And yes, this is a Halal and Muslim eatery. I'm gonna order a beef soup with rice. Let's try the beef. I think it's beef or something. Not sure about it. And it costs 41 yuan for the rice, drink, and the beef soup. Outside is coated with a flour, and inside is the beef meat. Let's try the soup. Soup is good, not overpowering. The more you eat, you feel the numbing effect. There's peppercorn. So let's try the plum juice. Wow, the taste is intense. The sour and the sweet. And there's a bitter aftertaste. Don't think this drink is for me. On the next episode, we're gonna do the tourist thing and looking at Xi'an icon from day to night. See you on my next episode. Bye.